Question 9 I quite like because it's going to make you guys think really kind of well. Now, if I have log base A of B on C equals negative log base A of C on B, notice how in the fractions, one's the other one upside down. How do we turn them upside down with indices? We put a -1 outside of it. So for example, if I have log base A B on C, well, that's the same as C on B to the -1, isn't it? And I'm just writing the right hand down the same. Now I can take that -1 out the front. And now I've proved it's the same left hand and right. So you just have to keep fiddling with them until it's the same left hand and right side. This time we've got log base 1 on A of x equals minus log base A of x. And I'm going to change the left hand side till it equals the right hand side. And I'm going to use change of base and make them both log base A. So that means it's log base A of x over log base A of 1 on A. It equals minus log base A of x. Now, the log base A of x is fine, but the log base A of 1 on A, well, that's the same as log base A of A to the -1, isn't it? Because 1 on A is A to the -1. You should now see where this negative comes from. Because that's the same as, well, with the log base A on x on the top stays the same, but it's now negative log base A of A. And that's the same as just 1. So it's -1 on the bottom, which means we've just got negative log base A of x equals negative log base A of x, left-hand side, right-hand side. Question C, this thing equals the thing on the right. So I'm going to make them both log base A of x, which means the thing on the left, actually, I should play with it before I do. So I've got log base 1 on A, x to the -1, equals log base A of x. Well, I can put the minus out the front, log base 1 on A, x, log base A of x. I've got the minus. I'm going to change base to make it both log A. So I've got log base A of x over log base A of 1 on A. You can now see where this is going because it's very similar to the question on the left. Log base A of x. So we've got minus at the front, log base A of x over log base A of A to the -1. And now that's the same as minus at the front, log base A of x minus log base A of A. And don't forget log base A of A is just 1. Oh, that's a log. I'm getting a bit tired. My negatives cancel out. So I've got log base A of x over 1, which I don't have to write the over 1. You probably didn't have to write that many steps of working out. That was mean.